Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kira Jhamtani and today's topic is cylinder, cone and sphere. See, in part 1 we studied surface area, volume of cylinder and the questions related to it. This was studied in part 1. In part 2 we studied the questions related to surface area and volume of cone. Now in this part, that is in part 3, we are going to study the questions of sphere related to its surface area and volume. So what is a sphere? Sphere, it is a solid which is obtained on revolving a circle about its diameter. Now this is a circle and this one AB is the diameter of a circle. Now any solid which is formed by revolving about the diameter is known as a sphere. So we can regard this as a sphere of radius r. So its volume becomes 4 by 3 pi r cube and its surface area is 4 pi r square. So these are the formulas of sphere. We have spherical shell. Now what is this spherical shell? It is the solid which is enclosed between two concentric spheres. Like we have two concentric spheres. This one is radius r and the outer radius is capital R. So in a spherical shell its volume becomes 4 by 3 pi r cube minus small r cube, that is external volume minus internal volume. Then hemisphere. What is hemisphere? Hemisphere, it is a solid sphere which is cut through its center. So this is called hemisphere when it is cut through center of radius r. So hemisphere volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube and its surface area is 3 pi r square. So the first question is, if surface area of a sphere is 616 square centimeter, that means surface area is 616 square centimeter, that means 4 pi r square is 616. So r square will be 616 upon 4 pi, that is equals to 4 into 22 by 7. So when we will solve it, here we will get 49, thus r is equals to what? 7 centimeter. Now we have to calculate what over here? Volume. So volume is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 cube, that means 7 will be multiplied 3 times. So this 7 and this 7 got cancelled. Thus on solving this, we will get 1437 1 by 3 centimeter cube. Next question is, internal and external diameter of hollow hemispherical vessel are 42 and 45.5. Internal diameter, will consider it to be small d, is 42. So small r, that means radius will be half of this diameter, that is 21. External diameter is 45.5. So external radius will be half of this diameter, that is 22.75 centimeter. Now they are asking capacity and its outer curved surface area. So capacity is basically volume of internal hemisphere, because if we look over hollow hemispherical shell, so this is hollow hemispherical shell. Now in this shell, in this only whatever liquid or whatever substance is to be kept. So this is volume of this hollow hemisphere. So this volume is equals to what? Volume of internal hemisphere. So its formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube, small r. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7, r is 21 into 21 into 21. Thus, answer comes out to be 19,404 centimeter cube. Then we have to calculate outer curved surface area. So, outer curved surface area, that means radius which will keep over here, that will be external radius. So, it will be 2 pi r square, thus 2 into 22 by 7 into 22.75 square. So, on solving, when we will multiply this, we will get 3253.25 centimeter square. Next question is, internal and external diameter of hollow hemispherical vessel are 21 and 25.2. We have to find the cost of painting it. We have to paint it in the interior surface, we have to paint it in the exterior surface. So, this is what? Hollow hemispherical vessel. Now, हमको ये यहाँ बाहर भी पेंट करना अंदर, that means we have to keep over here what? Total surface area. So, internal radius is 21 by 2, that is 10.5. External radius is 25.2 by 2, that is 12.6 centimeter. Thus, we have to paint it. So, total surface area formula is external curved surface area plus internal curved surface area plus area of the ring which is formed at the tip. So, that is equals to pi into r square minus r square. So, on substituting the values over here, we will get 12.6 square plus 2 into 22 by 7 into small r is 10.5 square plus 22 by 7 into 12.6 square minus 10.5 square. So, when we will solve this, we will get over here 1843.38 centimeter square. Now, what is cost of painting? It is 1.50 rupees per square centimeter. That means, for 1 square centimeter cost is rupees 1.5. So, for 1843.38 centimeter square, cost will be 1.5 into 1843.38, which comes out to be rupees 2765.07. Next question, spherical ball of lead has been melted and made into identical smaller balls with radius equal to half the original one. Let's suppose original radius is capital R. So, new radius is what? It is half. So, it will be R by 2. Now, this is melted. Yes, spherical lead है, it has been melted into smaller lead and we don't know how many leads are there. So, इसकी volume हो जाएगी 4 by 3 pi r cube and this is equals to n into 4 by 3 pi r by 2 का cube, क्योंकि radius इनकी half है. So, here 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled out. Thus, r cube is equals to n into r cube by 8. Thus, number of balls which can be made is 8. Next question is, surface area of solid sphere is increased by 21% without changing its shape. So, we have to find percentage increase in its radius and volume. So, let's suppose the radius of a sphere be r. So, obviously its total surface area will be 4 pi r square and this is equals to S. Now surface area is increased by 21%. That means S dash is equals to S plus 21% of S. When we'll solve it, so we'll get 121 by 100 S. This is S dash. Now S dash, it can be written as, this is the new surface area, it can be written as 4 pi r dash square, and this is equals to 121 by 100 into 4 pi r square. So this 4 pi and 4 pi got cancelled, so r dash की value आ जाएगी 11 by 10 of r. Now what we have to calculate? Percentage increase in radius. So percentage increase in radius का formula होगा change in radius, that means r dash minus r by r into 100. So r dash is 11 r upon 10 minus r by r into 100. So this comes out to be 10%. That means percentage change in radius is 10%. Now next what we have to calculate? Percentage change in volume. So again it will be 4 by 3 pi r dash cube minus 4 by 3 pi r cube by original volume 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100. Now here 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled out. r dash की वैल्यू क्या है? 11 upon 10. That means 11 upon 10 का क्यूब अगर हम यहाँ करते हैं तो it is 1331 by 1000 minus r upon r into 100. Thus on solving it, we'll get 33.1%. So this is how we can calculate the percentage change in radius and the percentage change in volume. So in this part, we have studied all the questions related to the curved surface area and volume of a sphere and hemisphere. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.